Hello viewer, we are going to make the adjustment there. It's an hue and saturation there. So let's use the lightness. Add some filter from the filter gallery. There we have the stylized option, intensity of the image. Use the color into that design here. Now we will use a different pattern stamp. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.